Hey, so you're interested in our interior ceramic coating package. This is a great package. We're in love with this one, and it helps so many people out. So this is a interior specific product. We're going to apply it to all of the plastics, vinyls, leathers, fabrics. It's easier to say what it's not going to have. The headliner, the seat belts, any of your electronic display screens. Other than that, we're going to have our ceramic coating on there. It gets up to a 7-year warranty, and that's going to depend on the age of your vehicle. But that will come with a nationwide warranty backed in all 50 states, and that is going to have a warranty that covers rips, cracks, tears, and stains up to 1 inch. We're going to have it also cover punctures and burns up to a 1/4 inch, mold, mildew, fast food stains, grease, gene transfers, all going to be covered into this warranty. And the way that that happens is that third-party backing of a national warranty. So you call the number with a warranty claim, they cover it. You're not paying for that warranty item to be repaired. The contractor is getting paid from the warranty to take care of that. It is an amazing warranty for that interior of your car. Let us know if you'd like to learn more, or we can add it on to any of those packages you see online.